I got a little gift for you. Yeah, here we go. Happy Monday to you. You were just sitting up. What happened? Happy Monday to you. Look on your face. Come on. Don't throw it away. Happy Monday to you. Happy Monday to you. Happy 4 months, Baba. Hey guys. Welcome back to another vlog. As you can see, I'm in the car. Watching my road if you catch a light. I'm in the car. I'm with Aaliyah Beer. Say hi, baby. They can't see you. She's behind me. But yeah, we're in the car starting a vlog today. What y'all do?
Mommy, Domino's.
Yeah. I come out on the road, palm in the car. Like you know, see oncoming traffic. I'm getting gas.
That smells good.
I'm eating a granola bar. Alright, hold on, okay? I'll see y'all in the next clip. Okay, so we're here. Just waiting for them to put the stuff in the trunk. I didn't even get a lot of stuff either. I just got a few things. Yeah.
Peanut butter.
Yeah, so how was your day today?
Good.
It was good.
Who did
You,
this?
you and your sister?
No, I wasn't in the front seat.
Yeah, you don't ride in the front seat, but still, y'all still messy.
I won't be in front.
You can sit there until they have the stuff and we have to leave.
Cool.
Yeah, so we're waiting and we're waiting. Why in my glove compartment? Close it. We're waiting and we're waiting and we're waiting and we're waiting.
Scoob. And guy that owned Peanut.
Alright, people. We got the goods and we're off.
But we don't have any services.
Huh?
We don't have any services.
Services?
We got good, but no service.
Yeah, that was a service. He brought it to the car.
Oh. Service.
Yeah.
He brought goods.
He brought the goods to the service. That don't sound right. I'm just kidding. They provide goods
Red
and
lobster.
services.
Real life lobster.
You want a real life? Yeah, real life lobster does something good right now. You know what I'm saying?
Lab lob.
Yes.
They're called a lab lob. They're not called lobster. They're called lab. Can I have
Yo, Tador just foggy and muggy.
Can I have
Muggy
that?
and foggy.
That hurts. Doctor.
Mm.
Can I have
A few moments later.
Okay. Oh, my hand. We're back home. But we have a dilemma. Say hi. It's always something. When I have you in my hand, there's always something on my face. Ow, ow, ow. You tired? Ready for bed? You ate already? Say hi to the peoples. Say hello. Yeah, so we have a little dilemma. So the pickup I went to, hold on, let me put y'all down for a sec. Oh my God. I'm trying to adjust this thing. Okay, let's sit and talk for a sec. Come here, Papa. So, I think I mentioned that we're going to do like a little cookie contest. But the people don't give me the wrong thing. Papa. Yeah. Oh, forever drooling. All right, so went to go pick up the stuff, but they gave me the wrong thing. I think it was a substitute. I hate when they do that. So I think the one I ordered was individual cookies, so everybody would have their own cookie, and then they'll decorate them. You can't see, and then they would have decorated them, but they give me one gingerbread house. One gingerbread house. One gingerbread house. So I think we're going to still do it. It's just that we're not gonna have our little cookie decorating contest. What are you doing? What's wrong with your face? She and her sister just got into it over this guy. Or they bicker over stuff, but for them problem that. They gotta work it out. Oh, look at the drool. Can I get a rag for Zane, please? You see it? Colorful. It's a gingerbread house. So I think I'm just gonna let the girls do that. Flip it over. Oh, look who's look who is here. Please don't knock Elfie over. Elfie's right here. Roasting marshmallows. Oh! Alright, now the girls.
It smells so good.
It smells good?
Yeah,
it's on the back. The directions are on the back. So that's going to be your base. Flip it over. No, the white thing. Yeah. The house goes right there.
We need to be careful though. We can't touch Elfie.
Me move Elfie. Don't worry about that. Okay, guys. Are y'all ready for the big reveal? Wanna finish?
Yes.
Y'all hear Zane in the background. Wanna finish?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
All right. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The detail on this one, though. The detail.
Bruh.
It could have been better.
It
It could have been better. It could have been better, but this one right here, I give this a 8. You did great. What's it supposed to be? A man?
Santa Claus.
Supposed to be Santa Claus? Oh wow. Okay. Yeah, but
You know.
No, 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 no.
You're a snitch.
Oh, he tried it.
What you watching? Oh, see, it chose Mickey Mouse because he's wearing Mickey Mouse on his clothes. Hi, Papa. Hi, Papa. Hi, Papa. Hi. Say hi to the people. You need to go to your bed at bedtime. You're happy? Belly full? Good dance. Miska. Come on. Come on. Hot dog. The things we do. Dance. Do, 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 do. So, hot dog, hot diggity dog. Ow. Yeah. Say bye, peeps. They're chilling. Hey y'all, so I'm back. I got this package that I want to unbox with you guys because I'm so excited to pour it. So it's this. Well, you guys will see. I want you guys to see. But the simplest things that I get excited over. You can tell I'm getting old. What you doing over there? Zane's over there. So, yeah. So this is like a mini unboxing. Just showing y'all something that I'm excited about. So yeah. Home zone living. So let's get unboxing. This is huge, but I'm excited for it. It's a box within a box. Okay. So I'm excited for this bin, this trash can. It's so cool. And it's a silent shut bin, so, and it has 2 parts. The girls are doing their chores, so that's why it's so noisy back there. No, it's supposed to come with it. So one is for trash and one is for recycle. I think the blue is for recycle and the black is for trash. And it comes with this thing right here. How to use the stay open lid. Just push it all the way back. Oh snap, I'm not in my record. I'm not holding it properly. So it shuts silently, as you can see. And then they have this thing called the stay open lid. So you push it all the way back in order for it to stay open. So cool. But then say it's supposed to come with bag too. They not say come with bag. Hold on. No, it's empty. This is supposed to come with bags. Let me not see. Oh yeah, see, it says it comes with 15 counts. Trash bag, gift pack included. So this is it right here. It's by Home Zone Living. It's the dual compartment kitchen trash can in matte black. And it comes with trash bags too. You guys can find it on Amazon. So I think maybe it's inside.
Put a baby in here.
Why would you say that? Oh, here it is. No, let me put me alone.
What's wrong?
Oh, there's a cute little envelope. And these are the trash bags.
So we gotta order those?
I guess so. But they send me 15. Okay, guys, I'm just going to... Oh, I was just like, what is happening? I'm gonna end the vlog here. The girls are finished up their chores. You finished? All right, you gonna take a shower now? The gingerbread house is fine.
What do we need it for?
It's just there for decorations. You can't eat it.
So they're not edible?
No. We nibble at it, but you don't eat it. I'll get you ginger. That's why I wanted to get the ginger cookies. That's what I wanted, but they messed up and gave me the wrong thing anyway. But it's okay. We'll do cookies next, okay? Go take a shower. It's time for you to take a shower. Okay, so I'm so tired.
Why do you keep saying no?
Because, Aaliyah, you literally had all the candy that left over after you guys finished the gingerbread house. That's why I keep saying no. I'm telling you not to have any more.
They're stronger than us, better equipped, better trained.
The nerve of this child.
Not survive. But we do not need to. We just need to hold them off long enough to get you all out.
Listen.
How much time do you need to override the doors? 3, 4 hours. You have 1.
All right, let's do this again.
Lock down every other entrance in this facility.
This is where I'm going to end the vlog. Because these children are getting to me. But I'm showing y'all. She literally looked at me and told me why I'm saying no to her not having any more candy. At what time now? 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock? Yeah, 8 o'clock. And my girl, we have a rule, no candy after 6. That's the rule. We did the gingerbread house way before that. And I told him after they had dinner, they could have the rest of the candy afterwards. She want to have more. I tell her, I said no. My girl said, why am I saying no? I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I don't know major, just something. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I'll see you guys in day 8. This is 7, right? Yes. I'll see you guys in day 8. And don't forget to go catch up to the vlogs. If you guys are new, hi, hello, my name's Natasha. Welcome to the vlog. If you're one of my day ones, welcome back, boo. Yeah, you guys want to say bye? Yeah, John Zany Poo's crashed on the couch. I'm making him his bottle, the last bottle before bed. I'm already beat already. Might have a change in diaper again, but yeah, I keep saying bye. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe to the channel. It is greatly appreciated. And share it to somebody who would enjoy watching me and my crazy family. Okay, so yeah, I'll see y'all in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.